Hi everyone, my name is Yus Srinivaslu. Register number is UR16CS172. Today I am doing sixth experiment in C++ lab, that is using class and creating some objects. And in that, the first experiment is calculating the distance traveled by a flight. So for that, the code goes like this. First we use include IOStream and standard namespace we'll use, and then we create a class flight, and in that flight, in the private we give the data, and in public we give the functions. Actually, it's a tradition in C++ to keep data in private and functions in public. And also in class we need not to define private again. In default, all the entering CQ will be in private, and if you want to give anything in public, you should say it as public. So in public I said void field info, I mean the information what I give will be filled in this using this function field info, and show info will show all the information I have entered. And in the main function I will call all the functions by creating an object with flight as user defined function. And here we calculated the fuel by given conditions, which is less than or equal to 1000 means 500, greater than 1000 and less than 1000 means 1100, and greater than 2000. So if I run this program, then we'll get the output like enter the flight number, I'll say 1234, enter destination, I'll say Goa, and how much distance, I'll say 2000. Then it will show the output like the flight number, your destination, and the distance, fuel required. And this is how we create class and create an object in order to get the data we want. Thank you. The next program in C++ Exercise 6 is buying a book. So write a program in order to buy a book, so using a class. So I create a class book, and in private I'll give all the data of the book needed, and in public I'll give function in order to take the information of the book and to show the output what we wanted. And in the main function we declare all the functions we created in public of the class by creating an object with the user defined function which we created book. So if I run this program, then it will ask like enter the book number, I'll say 456, and book title I might say something like the M something, and price of the book I'll say 112 rupees, and how many copies you want, I think I might be having 3, so the total cost is 336, so I need to pay 336. Thank you. The next program in C++ is to create a report by using the marks of a student, I mean to calculate the average marks of a student. So for that we create a class report, and we keep the data of the student in the private, and we create a function average in order to calculate the average marks of the student. And in public we create a function read info in order to get information of the student, and also we take the input of all the marks by using a for loop, and in the display info we show all the outputs we got, and in the main function we call those functions. So if I run this program, then enter your admission number, I will say 123, enter your name, I will type my name, enter marks 1 by 1, out of 100 if I take, I might get 95, 98, 85, 78, and finally very least 65. So if I type like this, then it will show my admission number, name, and average marks of me is 84. So this is how it works. Thank you.